Welcome, Form 4, at Maths, past years, SPM. This is SPM 2012, topic quadratic equation. It is given that 3 and m plus 4 are roots for the quadratic equation x squared plus brackets n minus 1x plus 6 equals 0, where m and n are constant. Even before we read what is the question asking, we must know what is the roots. Roots are the value of x for a quadratic equation. Roots are value of x for the quadratic equation which is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And these roots are labeled alpha and beta. So since we are given 3 and m plus 4 is the roots, I'm going to label the 3 as alpha, m plus 4 as beta. You can do the other way around. And another thing in quadratic equation, the sum of roots alpha plus beta, negative b over a, and the product of roots alpha times beta is c over a. Of course, the ABC we will get from the quadratic equation. Now we look at what is the question asking. Find m and n. The n is in the roots, whereas the n is in the quadratic equation. So we start with the quadratic equation, which was x squared plus n minus 1x plus 6 equals 0. We must make sure it is equal 0, then only we can find the a, b, c. The a is in front of the x squared 1, the b is in front of the x including the sign, and the c is the number without the x. And based on the formula here, alpha plus beta, negative b over a, I'm going to use that formula. Alpha plus beta is negative b over a. I replace the alpha with 3. It's already given here. And then I'm replacing the beta with m plus 4 on the left hand side. So we have 3 plus m plus 4. On the right hand side, b is n minus 1. N minus 1, don't forget the negative. And our a is, of course, is 1. Our a is 1 over here. So now, this 3 plus 4 is 7 plus n. So left hand side, we have 7 plus n. Right hand side, of course, anything over 1, you get back the same thing. And then the negative, I expand inside. Negative and negative, positive 1. So it is negative n plus 1. I'm going to collect the number one side. So the positive 1 now became negative 1. I have 7 minus 1 plus n, negative n. So of course, 7 minus 1 is 6. So I got 6 plus n equals to negative n. Okay? But I cannot proceed anymore. Because if I want to find n, I need m. And if I want to find m, I need n. So I'm going to stop here and go to the other one, which is alpha times beta is c over a. Again, replace the alpha, 3, replace the beta, m plus 4, and our c is 6, a, 1. So we would get, on the left hand side, 3 alpha, m plus 4 beta, c is 6, a is 1. Of course, we will get now, this is 3, 6 over 1 is 6, The 3 I transfer, that would be 6 divided by 3, I got 2. So now, the plus 4 I transfer, become negative 4. So now m is 2 minus 4, m is negative 2, we got one answer. Now we can reverse back, go back to our original one, first working. This m, I'm going to replace with negative 2. So 6 minus 2 is negative n. Therefore, 4 equals to negative n. Multiply both sides with negative, I would get positive n equals to negative 4. So that is our answer. Okay, we got our two answers here and here. Thank you.